folks, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a figure similar to a given figure but enlarged in size. So in this case we'll be drawing a figure similar to this figure here, but it will be rather reduced in size, not enlarged. So we want to be drawing a figure similar to this one but reduced in size. So all we need to do is you extend the baselines of the given figure and indicate the pole. So on any convenient point. So I need my pole to be here. So you extend the baselines and indicate the pole. So I want my pole to be at this point, P. So all we need to do is you extend the baseline, locate the pole, and then draw a line from P to the top of the object, which is B. Let it be B. Draw a line from top, radius it up to B. Then finally, the next step is to begin to draw A1, B1 equal to the length of the required reducement. So if you want to reduce it to this point, from this point to this point, so let's draw the, okay, let's make a reduction of here from here to this point. Okay, let's A to A complement. So this will be the new this point will be transformed here on this figure. So and then let's extend the this line downwards. So we'll first of all connect all these all the vertices of this object to this point. So let's connect them to the pole. That's the outside the figure. Let's connect the first vertex to the pole. Just connect this to the pole too. Then you should also know the center, this center of this arc. So let's connect that to the pole too. So this is an arc, so we need the center. So then we'll connect this one here to the pole too. And connect this other vertex to the pole. So literally you're connecting all the vertices to the pole. Now we've done that, so you can see that's actually true. So this one is also on this vertex. Now the next step is basically you begin to though you actually have to radiate them downwards too. Let's radiate all the vertices downwards. Apart from connecting them to the pole, you have to radiate them downwards. So let's radiate this one downwards. So let's radiate the center of the circle downwards. So we also need to radiate this other side downwards. Radiate this vertex downwards. Then we radiate the final vertex downwards. So after radiating everything downwards, you extend the baselines. So we want to reduce this figure. Now you begin to draw arcs from this center A. So this center A is kind of like the key point of this figure. Then each of the arcs, they will meet this line BA extended downwards. So let's start from this first one. Extend them here downwards to BA. Then you go to the next one. So and this center will also be extended downwards to BA. Extended downwards to BA. So I have this third one to extend it downwards to BA. I have this one to extend it downwards to BA. I have this fifth one extended downwards to BA. So I guess that's basically all we need to extend downwards. So then next you need to connect these extensions to the pole. So you connect the extensions to the pole of the object. Let's do the connection here. So connect each of these extensions to the pole. So you can, as you can see, that's basically what we are doing here. I'm connecting all the extensions to the pole. Connect the extensions. Connect this fourth extension to the pole. And connect the last extension to the pole. So finally we have connected all the extensions to the pole, and basically we have this figure. And the next step is to draw the baseline of the reduced figure. So the baseline is going to pass through this A complement. Let's draw it, the A complement. So it's going to pass through here. So as you can see, it passes through this A complement. That's all you need for here. And then you begin to convert these extensions back into their previous form. So I'll convert this one back in. That's for the, you can see that if we compare, that's for the center of the circle. We extend this one and convert it here. So we are going to be converting everything back to the base so that it can form the new object. And then last, finally, we have the fifth one. Connect it back. And then next, we begin to draw horizontals, rather verticals through each of these extensions. So for the first one, draw a vertical, draw a vertical, draw a vertical, draw a vertical, draw a vertical. Now these verticals will intersect with their corresponding parts. For example, this for the first one, we have it for the center, so it's going to intersect its corresponding center here at this related lengths. So that will be the new center of the new arc for the reduced figure. Then we also have for this next one, this coincides with the this part that goes downwards, so we're going to intersect here. Now for the third one, we have this coincide with this point of the object. So tracing this back, it also coincides with its radiated line here. So this is right here. Then next we have this part that runs here to also coincide with its points on the radiated object. So that is for this point here. That this was the fourth one. This was the fourth one. So it will coincide here. Then also have the last point. It will also coincide with the last one for its radiated parts. That's for this. So I guess we have them. So basically these are the 6 points. Actually they are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next step is to connect all these points. So lastly, we shouldn't forget the last one. This is also the last one. This is B components. Now all we need to do is you connect the point. But first of all, let's draw the arc. This arc is gotten by connecting this to this. So basically our arcs come from here to here. So this was the arc center. Then we also have the bottom of the arc here connected here. That was the second. Then we also have the top of the arc. That was the third. So 1, 2, 3. It's connected top. So when we draw our arc, this is the arc center. It's supposed to pass through these points. So I guess it's not passing through them. So maybe there was an error somewhere. So this is the arc point. This is the first point. And then here we have the second. So 1. So this is the arc center. So actually the arc center was supposed to be the first. So the arc center, this is it here. It's supposed to be the first point. This is the arc center. Whereas this one is intersecting the second. This second is for this. So you are using this for the arc center now. So this, when you join it, you have your arc. Then for the base, let's intersect for the bottom. That was the second. So here we go. Then for the remaining parts, you need to intersect these points, these points, these points, these points for the horizontal. Then you intersect the back of the object, and then finally the base. So you can see that at the end of the day we have a new figure. So this new figure is similar to the original figure. So this is how to construct a figure which is similar to a given figure but reduced in size. Thanks for watching.